Good morning, everybody, in this August gathering. Let me begin by extending my warmest welcome to His Majesty, King Willem Alexander of the Netherlands, Her Majesty Queen Maxima, Minister Moria, Madam Inke, Minister Bruno Brains, Minister Sigrid Kaag, my dear Minister from Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Ashutosh Tandon, and all the delegates, and of course our Ashutosh Sharma ji, Vikram Kirloskar ji, Chandrajit Banerjee ji, and all the distinguished delegates from the Netherlands and India. Warm greetings to all of you. I will now attempt to greet you in Dutch. Hallo vrienden. Hoe is Hamaji? Hello friends, how are you? Today I am delighted to be here amongst all of you to not only address the Silver Jubilee edition of the flagship event, Technology Summit, but also to celebrate 400 years of friendship between our two nations. This year we are celebrating 72 years of our diplomatic ties. But let me tell you that our friendship didn't start only 7 decades ago. The Indo-Dutch friendship is more than 400 years old. The Dutch came to India and founded their first factory in Masulipatam in Andhra Pradesh in 1605. We share a rich history of over 400 years in which we lived together. Your ancestors came looking for textiles and brought with them aromatic spices for us. We gave you our cotton, indigo, silk, rice, and opium. And today, we are here to exchange and collaborate in new age technologies. The Technology Summit is organized jointly by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and the Confederation of Indian Industry in partnership with the Netherlands. This summit assumes importance as it celebrates 10 years of Indo-Dutch collaboration in science, technology, and innovation. Today's event reinforces our long-standing friendship and marks a high point of these celebrations. While we are here to celebrate the Technology Summit, let me tell you all an interesting fact. Our chief guest here today, His Majesty King Willem Alexander, has always been fascinated by technologies. His Majesty once said that if he had not been a royal, he would have followed a career as an airline pilot so that he could control big planes like the Boeing 747. And in fact, I am told that he did fly the big plane in real. Your Majesty, we are truly honored by your august presence at today's summit. This is the 25th Technology Summit, and in this one, India is partnering with the Netherlands. Your presence here today reaffirms our commitment to our bilateral relationship. While geographically separated, India and the Netherlands are close in our common ideals of democracy, pluralism, and commitment to the rule of law, which makes us natural partners. Our diplomatic relations have flourished on the basis of our common approaches to prosperity and commitment to fair trade and globalization. Our common values are founded on the promise of Mahatma Gandhi's principles of non-violence, equity, and dignity of all mankind. Our shared heritage and common beliefs lead us to further intensify our cooperation and build a sound bilateral relationship. Countries such as ours need to combine forces to seek sustainable answers to pressing global issues. These include poverty, hunger, job creation, energy security, human rights, gender inequality. At the same time, we need to work together on climate change, terrorism, and depletion of natural resources. India and the Netherlands have strong interests in each other's economies. Netherlands is India's 28th largest trading partner globally and 6th largest trading partner from the European Union. The country has been the gateway for over 20% of all of India's exports to the European Union. Between 2000 and 2017, the Netherlands invested 24.31 billion US dollars in India, ranking amongst the top 5 investors in the country. India too was amongst the top 5 investors in Netherlands, a country that is home to the second largest diaspora of Indian origin in the mainland Europe. Today we have the presence of over 100 Dutch companies in India. They are all actively engaged in contributing to the Indian economy. We look forward to welcoming many more of them for business investments in India. It is very encouraging to see a Dutch delegation comprising over 200 companies participating in this summit. I am happy that you are here with us and would like to take this opportunity to invite more Dutch companies to India, now known as the land of opportunities under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let me tell you that India has recently improved its global ranking by 23 points in ease of doing business and has therefore become even more business friendly. India and the Netherlands have one more thing in common. We both have prime ministers with extraordinary vision. They both believe in the power of collaboration towards growth. The prime ministerial interactions since 2015 have culminated in increased interest across science and technology stakeholders, including industry, researchers, and government agencies. Propelled by this momentum, we would like to deepen our bilateral cooperation on trade, scientific and industrial R&D, innovation, and climate change. In December 2018, both India and Netherlands joined the other G20 leaders in reaffirming their commitment to building consensus for fair and sustainable development that is people-centered, inclusive, and forward-looking. I am pleased to note that this year's Technology Summit is also focused on identifying new Indo-Dutch solutions to tackle societal issues such as water, climate change, food security, and affordable health care. The G20 leaders had agreed to build a sustainable food future and deal with food security by sharing innovative and traditional agricultural practices and technologies. The expertise of Netherlands in agriculture and food processing, as well as water and waste management sectors, has been exemplary, and India holds a wealth of traditional agriculture practices. I look forward to Indian companies partnering with Dutch counterparts, combining India's agricultural knowledge with Dutch water management techniques to develop efficient and sustainable farming in India. These collaborations will further aid the country to deliver on the aspiration of doubling farmers' incomes by 2022 a dream of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I am very pleased that some key Indo-Dutch projects, such as the ones focused on Namami Gange, have progressed well over the last 2 years. We are also working to design the trajectories for urban water management for Tier 2 cities. It is heartening to note that the Indo-Dutch bilateral research cooperation is leading to co-creation of knowledge in the fields of water, health, cyber-physical systems, functional materials, smart energy grids, and are addressing future challenges by working on solutions for antimicrobial resistance and big data. I congratulate the partnering agencies from both the countries, namely the Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology from the Indian side, and the Netherlands Organization for Scientific Research and the Netherlands Enterprise Agency. I wish you all the very best in your future research endeavors that will bring value to our citizens. India has nurtured over 40,000 startups over the last 5 years under Prime Minister Modi, of which about 31 have achieved the unicorn status. We have initiated programs like Startup India, and today we are number 3 in the world in terms of number of startups. We wish to nurture this culture further. We are encouraging new solutions based on technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. Netherlands too is the most attractive startup hub in the Europe, spurred by an open culture and a keen focus on entrepreneurship and innovation. Netherlands has built a flourishing startup ecosystem. I urge young entrepreneurs to take advantage of this opportunity to come up with innovative solutions and scale up their businesses. I also note that an opportunity to 15 Indian and 15 Dutch startups has been provided in the summit to pitch their innovative solutions. On the nexus of water, agriculture, food and health at this forum. The time is now ripe for us to take the Indo-Dutch partnership to the next level. I am very happy that the India-Netherlands Technology Summit 2019 will deliberate on the critical areas of education, water and waste management, agriculture, food processing, information and technology, and development of smart cities. The next 2 days will present good opportunities for the participating companies to explore prospects for bilateral investments across sectors such as healthcare, water, agriculture, IT, design, and education. I also urge these companies to support startups from both sides, undertake collaborative development and human resource exchange. I congratulate the Department of Science and Technology and the Confederation of Indian Industry for organizing this signature event. I would also like to thank the Government of Netherlands for accepting our invitation to be the partner country. I am confident that the Technology Summit will lay the foundation for harnessing the power of science, technology, and innovation for social good. I thank all the participants from the Netherlands and India whose contribution and presence has been crucial to the success of this meet. I thank all of you once again, in particular His Majesty King William Alexander for gracing this occasion and sharing his vision and commitments in building a new Indo-Dutch partnership. My special thanks to Her Highness Queen Maxima for lighting up this event with her very, very gracious presence. Long live our friendship. Jai Hind.